Hi, everybody. This is Stephanie from Baldwin County Homeschool Expo. Just wanted to give you all a cool update for our expo. So we did a poll on a couple different pages, a couple different groups to find out what everyone wants. Do you guys want our expo to continue to be planned and be in person, or if you guys want to change it up and be virtual? So majority of both individuals and our vendors want it to be in person. So we're going to proceed ahead, and it is still going to be on Saturday, August 8th at the PZK Hall in Robertsdale. So we're excited to see all of you. If something happens and we have to address something differently because of the pandemic we're dealing with, we will definitely address that and change accordingly to what we need to. But as of right now, we're going to plan ahead and continue it to be in person. So we have a whole bunch of vendors that have signed up, several that have been in contact. And if you know anybody, whether it's a business or a co-op, cover school, whatever it may be, if they're interested in being a part of the expo as a vendor, just let them know to go ahead and contact us. The only requirement is they have to offer a product or a service for homeschoolers to be in the expo as a vendor. All businesses are welcome to participate by donating an item, a gift certificate, whatever it may be, to our raffle items, and that way they can advertise to homeschoolers as well. But one thing we are going to add this year is we joined with Devin from Professional Home Educator, and we are going to do virtual live workshops the Friday before. So on Friday, August 7th, starting at 9 o'clock, we are going to have different workshops. So everything from the Alabama law to homeschooling high schoolers, homeschooling littles, homeschooling special needs, we've got a whole bunch of really cool topics that we're working on. So once the topics, presenters, and times are finalized, we will be posting it. So be on the lookout for that. If there's a certain topic that you have always wondered or interested in or hoping to see, just let us know. We'll see what we can do. Most of them are going to be panels, so you're going to hear from more than one homeschool parent, so that's really cool. You get to see different perspectives. Now they're going to be advertised and streamed live on our Facebook page and website. So if you're on Facebook, we are on there. If you look for Baldwin Homeschool Expo, you'll be able to like our page and watch it there. And from there, you'll actually be able to type in questions live. So as you type in questions during each workshop, we will relay them to the presenters and they can answer that way. It'll also be streamed on our website, baldwinhomeschoolexpo.com. So we hope to see you all there on the virtual workshops, and also the day of. The day of is going to be filled full of vendors. You'll be amazed at how much opportunities our students have here in Baldwin County and even surrounding counties. We've got some that all service Baldwin County, but they're based out of Mobile and so forth. So definitely need to check us out. So hope you all are having a wonderful day, and God bless.